Hi, hello students. Let's start NCERT solution regarding polymers only. In the polymer chapter, what are the book back questions are there? We are going to discuss right now. First of all, look at the first question is what is meant by polymer? What are the polymers only? Polymers are highly molecular mass substances only. Generally, polymers, look at the poly means many mass units are there. Many units are combined, they form a large number, large molecule is polymer only. Generally, it containing up 10 to the power of 3, 10 to the power of 7 units mass is there, consisting of area of a large number of simple repeating structural units joined together through a covalent bond. Look at this, very important. Polymers formation always by a covalent bond only. In a linear fashion, they are also called macromolecules. Example is polythene, nylon, bakelite, rubber, polystyrene, polypropylene. General example of polymers only. Clear? How polymers are classified based on the structure. Look at this one is very well, yeah, the polymers has been classified now. On the base of structures, polymers has been classified into the linear polymers, in which the monomer are joined together to form a long straight chain compound. Look at this long straight chain only. Look at I will give the example. Look at the example. This one is a polymer only. The monomers are joined together. Look at this, a linear molecule only. Branched means, look at in the linear polymer some attachments are there. Here attachments are there, branched only. Cross-linked are more number of attachment is there, that's called as a cross-linked only. Look at here, this type of called as a network polymers on. This called network polymers on. Look at what they given linear polymers in which the monomers are joined together to form a long straight chain polymer molecule. Example, high density polythene, polyvinyl chloride, nylons. Either nylon 6,6, nylon 6,10 also will come here. Next one, branched chain polymer, in which the monomer not only linearly joined fashion but also branches will be there at different length is called. Low density polythene glycol is example of the branched chain polymer only. Cross linked polymer, in which the initial cross linked means more number of attachment will be there. Example is about bakelite, urea formaldehyde resins are there. Okay, now more branches are there, more strength will be there. Look at the next question is very important question for examination point of view. Look at there. Write the name of the monomer of the following. Look at there. This is one polymer they given. They're asking for the monomers only. If you have any confusion, just look at here. This is nothing but a hexamethylene diamine nylon 6,6 only. Nylon 6,6 only. It's made up of, look at there. Just you break the bond. Add water molecule. Here OH is add. Here H is add. What you get here? You get the NH2, CH2, NH2. Place CH6 only, down is 6, not here. Okay, adipic acid formula you know no? CH2 4 COH COH. Look at here, I'm adding OH group here, I'm adding OH group plus H here. Clear? Look at here, I'm doing this one same process, hydrolysis process. When I go for hydrolysis process, the product is coming. Look at the hexamethylene diamine and adipic acid. Next one is, look at here, this what is this one is this given like a caprolactam only, no? Caprolactam only. What is caprolactam? Just look at this, like caprolactam is going to 7-member ring will be there. C double bond NH will be there. NH group, this amide group is there. Okay, and here 7. Look at there, along with the 6-member ring will be there. Total number of carbon is 6 only. Look at here, just consider CH2 5 CH NH only. This is nothing but a caprolactam. This is a caprolactam only. Next one is there. Look at this tetrafluoroethylene only, Teflon only. If you want to write the monomer means just you break this one, write 1 pi bond here. Then that's enough. Nothing but here the types of the polymers. Polymer is given, you have to find the monomer. Clear? Go for the next question is there no here. Look at the classification of following addition polymer. Look at there, you classify the following an addition and condensed polymer is there. Terylene, bakelite, polyvinyl chloride, polythene. Look at polyvinyl chloride, polythene. You know very well, we discuss what addition polymer only. Terylene, bakelite. Terylene, okay, and bakelite is there. Bakelite is phenol formaldehyde. Bakelite is the phenol plus formaldehyde will combine. Terylene is acrylonitrile. Okay, this is nothing but condensed polymer. This is nothing but addition polymer only. Next one is then explain difference between the Buena-S rubber, Buena-N rubber, and Buena-S rubber. Generally, both are copolymers only. The both look at the Buena is nothing but a butadiene. This is same only for. But here the acrylonitrile is coming, here styrene is coming, that is different only. Both are copolymers only. Buna-N is a copolymer of 1,3 butadiene and acrylonitrile. Look at here, this one is nothing but here Buna-N rubber only. Look at 1,3 butadiene plus acrylonitrile. It's combination of the here Buna and rubber only. Buna as rubber nothing but here. Look at here Buna. Look Buna and rubber nothing but combination of this one and this one. This is called 1,3 butadiene and acrylonitrile. Buna as rubber nothing but combination of the 1,3 butadiene plus styrene. This is called styrene only. Benzene attached to the ethylene is called styrene only. This is the difference between the Buna as rubber and Buna and rubber. Arrange the following polymers increasing order the intermolecular force of attraction. Look at this, some polymers they have given, you have to arrange based on their molecular force of attraction. Earlier we discussed about based on the molecular force of attraction, polymers has been classified like elastomers, fibers. Clear is that thermosetting polymer, thermopolymers only. In this one, nylon 6,6 they are given, nylon Buna as rubber and polythene is given. Nylon 6, neoprene is polyvinyl chloride. On the base of intermolecular force of attraction is the nylon always strong only. Because on the base of intermolecular force, polymers are classified into elastomers, fibers and plastics only. Look at the next, these increasing order of the intermolecular forces are there. No? Elastomers is there, fibers, look at the plastics are the fibers. Nylon wires are there. No? Nylon wires are stronger than the plastic only. This order is given nylon 6,6, polythene, Buna as rubber. Here this one is the arrangement also given, nylon 6, polyvinyl chloride, PVC pipes are there. Next one is neoprene is there. Clear? Go for the next question. Look at the here questions are there. Look at the explain the term polymer and monomer is there. What is mean polymer here? Small molecules joined together form large number of molecules is called polymer only. Monomer nothing but the smallest repeating unit present in a polymer. The smallest repeating unit present in a polymer is known as monomer only. The process of joining of monomer is known as polymerization process. Clear is there no? So next one is the what are the natural and synthetic polymers? Give an example. Natural polymers mean those polymers are which are come from nature. Nature is provided some polymers called here, for example, starch, cellulose, protein, nucleic acid, resins, natural rubbers are there. Synthetic rubbers means man-made. We usually prepare from the using of the raw materials. You can prepare. Okay, example is polyvinyl chloride, Buna as rubber, neoprene is there, no, nylon 6,6. Okay, this is nothing but here synthetic fibers only. Next one is then distinguish between the term homopolymer and copolymer. Homopolymer gives the same kind of the monomers as there. Copolymer means two kinds of monomer they will join together. For example, homopolymer I will say here ethylene, polythene, PVC pipes, Teflon, polystyrene. These are the only one kind of the polymers whose repeating structural units are derived from only one type. Repeating unit only one is called as homopolymer. Repeating unit is two. Polymer whose repeating structural units are derived from the two or more types of monomers is called as a copolymer. Copolymer example is Buna as rubber, Buna N rubber, nylon 6,6, polyester, bakelite. Then here how do we next one is how do we explain the how do we explain the functionality of a monomer? Nothing but how many functional groups are there. Based on how many, look for suppose I'm just taking the polythene, one double bond is there. Look at I'm taking the ethylene. Ethylene is contain only one double bond is there. Only one functional group site is there. Propene is there, no? Propene also contain one double bond is there. Styrene also contain one double bond. Acrylonitrile is there, no? It's containing of the one double bond is there. But 1,3 butadiene is there, it's containing of the two double bond. This example I will give here. For here is ethylene only one double bond is there. The reaction will happen only because of this pi bond only. But here look at 1,3 butadiene is there. Here two sides are there. Two sides. This is cut two sides will be there. This is nothing but here they are given the functional group functionality of the monomer only. Here two functional groups are there. Here single functional group is there. Okay, here 1,3 butadiene, adipic acid, terephthalic acid, hexamethylene diamine. Check out it contain two functional groups are there. Okay, next define the term polymerization process. I said I already discussed the process of joining of monomer is called polymerization process only. Based on polymerization process, they have been classified in two types. Is there additional polymer, condenser polymer only. Next one is then here look at the given is this one is as a homopolymer or copolymer. They given it is a homopolymer because of repeated structural unit only. Look at this one. This is one repeated structural unit only. It's called copolymer. Okay, sorry, here this is the homopolymer. This is homopolymer. Repeated structural unit. This one is NH2 CHR COH. Because C inside. Okay. Next one is then here. Which are the following polymers are classified based on the molecular force of attraction? Elastomers, fibers, thermoplastic, thermosetting plastics. Already we discussed this one is there. Next one is can you write the difference between the addition polymer, condenser polymer only? Addition polymer formed by the only one kind of the repeating units only. Clear? In the addition polymer is the no loss of the water molecule, ammonia, methanol takes place. The molecular mass of the monomer, the molecular structure of the monomer and the structure of the in the polymer also remaining same only. Molecular mass also remaining same before the polymerization, after the polymerization process only. But in the condensed polymer, what happened there? The two or more functional group will be involved. Elimination of small molecule like water, ammonia, happen. In addition, polymer generally occur by among small molecule containing of the double bond and triple bond. Here, general condenser polymer is there amides. Look at the, for example, is there no nylon 6,6 containing amide only, no condenser polymer only. Hexamethylene diamine and adipic acid formed by the elimination of the water molecule. Clear is there in the condenser polymer is there no the empirical formula of the polymer and monomer will be different because of some small amount of water molecule is lost, no. That's the reason why. Next one is then here explain the term copolymerization. Give an example. Copolymer means no two monomers are joined. When two or more different monomers are allowed to be polymerized together, the product of a formed is called as a copolymer. The process is called copolymerization. Only Buna S rubber, Buna N rubber. Okay, and here just copolymers of the 1,3 butadiene and styrene. Okay, next 1,3 butadiene and acrylonitrile. Clear. Next one is that here very important question is the write the free radical mechanism of polymerization process. This is very important. Look at here. What happened here? The free radical polymerization process. How many steps happen? First one here. Initiation, propagation, termination. Initiation how happen? Benzyl peroxide C6H5 C double bond O. Peroxide means look at this equation is there no here. What happened there? Benzyl peroxide C6H5 C double bond O. Look at there. Whenever two oxygen atoms are attached, that is called peroxide bond. Peroxide bond is weak bond under homolytic cleavage. Fish hook arrow means homolytic cleavage only. Homolytic cleavage means here one bond is formed by two electrons only. The two electrons are equally shared between two oxygen atoms. So what will get the radical will come. These radicals are more reactive. Again the electrons are shifted here. The bond will be break. They form a benzyl radical, phenyl radical. Here then carbon dioxide. This benzyl radical, phenyl radical is react with ethylene. Look at here. This whenever radical is forming for radical mechanism only. Okay. What happened there? What will get the benzyl free radical? This is initiation step. Okay. What chain propagation is there? No, it continuously will add. Continuously will be added. Look at the benzyl peroxide, again add to ethylene molecule. Look at what is attachment is then. Look at initially how many carbon atoms are there? 2 carbon atoms are there. How about right now what happened? 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. Again it will react. How many will come here? CH2, CH2 units are become increases. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. Next chain termination. What is termination means you know very well in each and every process there is one end point is there for anything is there. So what I mean that here the general termination may happen, two methods are there. Same molecule, you got this molecule combined with some other molecule, they form a termination process only. Place the ending process only. Chain termination by combination of the two free radicals only. Both free radicals are combined. Look at there. 6H5, CH2, CH2N, CH2 radical. Same. This is mirror. They will combine. They form a polymer. What happened there? Yeah, some other method also by the disproportionation of free radical is there. Okay, what happened there? Here, just imagine here, disproportionate radical is there. No, they will take some other protons from some other one is there. When you add a carbon tetrachloride, water is there, they will take the one proton. They will end up the process is there. Clear? This is called disproportionate process only. Do you know about thermosetting plastics are thermoplastics are there? No. Thermoplastic, thermosetting plastic. Thermoplastics are there. No. Here the polymers which can be molded again and again by applying the heat. Example is the polythene covers. Polythene covers, polypropylene is there. Thermosetting is there. Once you prepare, we cannot be remolded on heating. Whatever, like a chair, plastic chairs are there. No, we cannot remold it again and again. Example is the phenyl formaldehyde backlight. Clear? Here more less number of cross-linked will be there. Here more number of cross-linked will be there. Like a linear polymer, highly branched polymers only. Next one is look at the given. Write the monomer of the user for the following. Write the monomer used for the getting the following polymers only. PVC pipes, polyvinyl chloride is vinyl chloride. Teflon, tetrafluoroethylene only, this Teflon only. Bakelite, formaldehyde, plus phenol. Clear? Next, go for next question is there now here. You can now write the name and structure of the one of the common initiator using free radical mechanism, benzyl peroxide. This is called benzyl peroxide. Okay, this one is. How does the look at the question is the how does the presence of the double bond in rubber molecule influence structure of reactivity? If they suppose I'm just taking the natural rubber, so isoprene units are there. Isoprene units are made. Look at the 1 carbon, 2nd carbon, 3rd carbon, 4th carbon. 2nd carbon contain methyl group. Can also make say the 2-methyl 1,3 butadiene. After polymerization, what happened there? Here double bond is there. No, the double bond is shifted to 2,3. Natural rubber is cis polypropene and is obtained by the 1,4 polymerization of isoprene units only. Look at there. Both polymerization process will be added here. 1,4 it's the polymer is then double bond located in between the C2 and C3 carbon. Look at it, in between the 2 carbon it is located only. What they want to say here, the cis polymers are there. No, cis polymers are what happened. Suppose if cis molecule is there, no, both contain same function, same side is there, no, more triad function is there, no, they will repel each other. They will not come close each other. What happened? They makes a weak molecular force of attraction. So the cis double bond do not allow the polymer chain come closer for effective interaction, and hence intramolecular force are quite weak. Please, that's the reason cis polymer. That's what they want to say. Next one is then discuss a vulcanized rubber. Already discussed about vulcanization rubber very clearly. So once you go for natural rubber has been following a disadvantages is there. It is soft and sticky and become even more so at high temperatures. It becomes molten at high temperature, only brittle also low temperature. Therefore, rubber is generally used in a narrow temperature range only, where is the elasticity is maintained. It has large water absorption capacity and low tensile strength and low resistance to absorption. Actually, what happens in natural rubber takes water molecule, it becomes heavy. Please know it is not resistant to the action of the organic solvent. But generally, if it takes an organic solvent, it dissolves the organic solvent only. It is easily attacked by the oxygen and other oxidizing agent only. To improve all these properties, natural rubber is vulcanized by heating of the 5% sulfur at the temperature of the 373 kelvins to 410, near to 100 to 200 degrees Celsius. Vulcanized rubbers, the vulcanized rubber that obtained has excellent elastic nature will be there, strength will be there, strong will be there. It won't react with any oxidizing agent, reducing agent. It will not react with chemicals are there. So to contain the properties will be various only. Next one is the write the monomeric repeating units of nylon 66. It is very important. Nylon 6 means caprolactam is there. Nylon 66 means adipic acid, hexamethylene diamine only. The monomer repeating units of the nylon 6 in other words this one monomer repeating unit is there. NH CH25 C double bond which derived from the caprolactam only. The monomer repeating unit for nylon 66 is hexamethylene diamine and adipic acid. Hexamethylene diamine and adipic acid. Write the name and structure of the monomeric following polymers. Buena-S rubber. Very important. Remember, Buena-S rubber made up of 1,3 butadiene plus styrene. Buena-N rubber is made up of 1,3 butadiene plus acrylonitrile only. Decran is made up of look at ethylene glycol. Ethylene glycol. Look at terephthalic acid. Terephthalic acid benzene contain 1,4 position acid groups are there. Look at this one is a condenser polymer. This two are additional polymer only. Neoprene is there. Neoprene is about 2-chloropropane. Look, neoprene is about 2-chloro, 1,3 butadiene only. These molecules under addition polymer they form a large number of molecules. These are nothing but types of Buena-S rubber, Buena-N rubber, Decran, neoprene. Very important for the NEET examination, and sometimes they will ask in the IIT examination also. Next one is that here very important. Look at the good students here. Look at there. Identify the monomeric of following polymers. The polymer is given. They are asking monomer only. Look at here. They given here. Look at this one. Nylon 610. How can I say nylon 610? Sir means no 8 carbon atoms are there. 1, 9 and 10. And here the hexamethylene diamine only. Okay, no? This one is look at the here. Just consider here. What are they given? This is sebacic acid only. Sebacic acid containing of the 10 carbon atom and hexamethylene diamine only. Melamine is there, no? Melamine formaldehyde. They call melamine formaldehyde structure. This one is. This is called melamine structure. So next one is that here. Go for the look at here. Very important. Melamine formaldehyde only. This one is sebacic acid. Here suppose you 6 carbon atoms are there and it is called nylon 6,6 only. So go for next one is then next question here. How is Decaron is obtained from the ethylene glycol and terephthalic acid? Decaron is obtained by the condensation polymerization process. Look at here one OH group will cause, one H is going. Look, by using some catalyst. Okay, by using some catalyst. Decaron is obtained by condensation polymerization of ethylene glycol and terephthalic acid with the elimination of the water molecule. The reaction is carried out 420 kelvins to 460 kelvins in the presence of catalyst consisting of the mixture of the zinc acetate and antimony trioxide. Antimony trioxide, zinc catalyst only. What happens? They will combine together form a large number of polymer only by losing some water molecule. That's why it's called as a condenser polymer only or step-up polymer only. What is a biodegradable polymer? Very, very important. Biodegradable polymer. Give an example of biodegradable polymers one. Suppose remember in our daily life, what is the major problem you are facing? Some polymers they won't be degrade. They will be stay for long time only. It causes pollution only, problem for human being only. So what we are doing? Some animals they will eat the plastics, so they will get some health problem issues will come. And also you will go for the ocean, is then more number of plastic is there. That's the reason why we are using the recyclable plastics only. Recyclable plastics means we can be molded again and again only. Okay, an example is then here. This one is the polymers distinguished between themselves by the example of the PHB. Okay, PHBB, poly beta hydroxy bitrate co beta hydroxy valerate only. This called as a biodegradable polymer only. Poly beta hydroxy bitrate co beta hydroxy valerate only. It is made up of the 3-hydroxy. Look at this is combination of the 3-hydroxy butanoic acid, 3-hydroxy pentanoic acid. Look at here pentanoic acid. Look at here 3-hydroxy butanoic acid, 3-hydroxy pentanoic acid. Undergo polymerization process, they'll get the PHBV. Okay, biodegradable polymer. Some books they also given is a nylon 16 also biodegradable polymer only. So this when they mention like this like this arrow means clear indicates that it's a recyclable plastics only. Clear students here? These regarding the book back questions polymers only. Thank you.